Good morning. I think it's day 8, but I'm really not sure. Could be, I think it's day 8. It doesn't matter. We are hiking down to the tallest waterfall in Costa Rica. This is our last day adventuring in the area. Tomorrow morning, bright and early, we will head back to San Jose. Oh, pretty butterfly. We'll head back to San Jose, and then the following morning, we will fly back to the States. So, soaking it in, enjoying it. We're gonna swim, we're gonna see some waterfalls. Let's go. The trail is super steep so far, so if your mother can't do it, sorry. Mine can. We're not gonna go see what's in there. And tiny mushrooms.
Here's us hiking. We're a little bit behind.
We're headed to the top of the waterfall first to view it, and then on the way back we'll stop and go to the pools for a little swimming. See some water below. I feel like we're back at our old nemesis, the Ladder Canyon. I don't know if you can see, but I am just absolutely dripping with sweat. It's so humid here. And I'm, you know, walking around uphill. Increíble! It goes on. You can't even see the top. Yes, I would not mark this one as easy. Yeah, Mom. Woo. They're absolutely getting pelted with mist. It's crazy. Woo. Yeah, don't fall. Dragonfly, if you can see him, absolutely drenched. I don't know why he's red. I've never seen a red dragonfly before.
The mud.
Ta-da! All right, everybody, comment down below if you think I'll get the stains out of this shirt. All right, now we're headed to the pool. Let's see how this goes. beautiful here, but we're not going to get in. There's not really a pool, and it's a little bit chilly in the canopy here. So we're going to walk back. Maybe there's another one, maybe there's not. Either way, beautiful. Let's go. Yeah! Look at this crazy person. So we've made it out to this other spot that maybe we can swim, but maybe we won't. We'll see right now. Ooh, cool log across the water. Okay, this could be good. This one looks much better for swimming if we want to. I don't know if I do. But yeah, it's raining a little bit. Yes, much better for swimming. I don't think we're going to those. I, for one, don't want to take my shoes off and get everything wet, then have to put them back on. So we'll see. Maybe I'll dip my hair like Christine. Well, now I have one soaking wet shoe and one, well, just regular sweaty shoe. So kind of expected that to happen, but not just one shoe. So comment down below if you think I should dunk my other shoe to make it even, because I won't see that for, you know, like a month after I'm done with this hike. So much uphill. I'm really getting a good booty workout today, which I'm excited about. ¿Cómo se dice George of the Jungle?
I'm dead.
Reactions?
Great, beautiful. Misty, it was tough though. Lots of uphill.
I mean, the hike at the end, yeah.
Killer.
How do you feel,
Tired.
Mom?
Oh, dead.
Yeah.
Never done anything like this before.
That was steep.
Yeah.
That was
Stuck it
steep.
out, though. Look at all of these vultures circling Mom. Glad you made it.
I don't think I have ever been physically tired in my whole life.
Yeah.
I feel too tired to eat.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Too tired to eat. That's what happens when you hang out with us. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry.
Right?
Just got done taking a massive pounding here at Playa Hermosa. This is the view from Tortuga del Mar. Absolutely beautiful. And now we're gonna go look for some food. We found a place in Jaco, and it's called something like Tacos de Cholo, which just looks cool to us, living in LA, so we'll check it out. Ooh, that guy's ripping. I don't know if you can see. I don't think you could see that at all. Anyways, yeah, it's taco time. Massive Mahi tacos all around. That one's grilled. That one's fried. As you can see, we've done a lot of playing today. It's all our stuff laid out to dry. It goes on. But this has been, let's see.
Oh man.
This has been our last full day in Playa Hermosa at Tortuga del Mar, which has been amazing to us. You can probably hear the waves in the background, which is incredible. Christine has the hiccups.
This is the worst.
Which is going to be terrible for her for about the next 5 minutes to 3 hours.
I hope not.
Somewhere in there. But we had another phenomenal day on day 8. And we started out with a waterfall. We came back to Jaco for Jaco. I need to keep saying it right. Jaco. For a little bit of shopping, rented a surfboard. Came back here, caught some waves, got drilled a lot. And then we went back to Jaco to return the surfboard and get dinner at the delicious Cholo place. And then pops one more time for the 4th day in a row. Thank you very much. And now we're back and gonna pack, go to sleep. Tomorrow we're having fun back in San Jose, and then the following day we have to go home. Let's go. Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I wanted to come on to show you mostly my shirt. This was what I was wearing for the hike, and as you could see, it did not wash out. So if you commented that it would not come out, then you were correct. If I was a famous vlogger, I'd be like, hey, go to microshop.com, that doesn't exist, right now to bid on this shirt, and we'll give the money to charity. But since I'm not, you're just gonna have to donate to charity on your own. So good job, way to be you. But thank you so much for watching this video and watching all of the videos that we've put out. We've had such an amazing time in Costa Rica and cannot wait to go back. We're gonna keep trying to get better at this vlogging thing and keep going. My main goal right now is to get monetized this year. So every single like and view and subscription that you guys have given us is super important, and we thank you so, so much. Go ahead and hit that like button if you feel like it right now. That would be super helpful to us. Anyways, I'm back at work now, and hopefully I can make some good vlogs while I'm traveling for work. But stay tuned for that and a whole lot more. You can subscribe right now if you want. Just click right up there, or watch more of my videos. Click right up there. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. All right, pops once again after dinner. This will probably be the last time in Jaco.
Yep.
Then we'll get it in San Jose, probably.